see, we did a very large project. We did the entire front of our house. Any place that there was a vinyl siding, we took off the vinyl, and I installed the stone panels. I did most of this myself.
I highly recommend anybody to do this. It goes in fairly easy. It's not hard to work with, and it turns out really nice.
One supplier introduced us to GenStone products, and then we just knew that that would be the solution because it looked like real stone.
Most of my basement was done by contractors, but I did carve out a couple projects to do by myself. I am not an expert in construction by any means, but if you can measure, cut with saws, drill and glue, you can do this too.
Looks so much like stone. This stuff is easy to cut, easy to put up. Doesn't take long at all. It came out just beautiful.